Let us start today's session, and in this session we are going to discuss about the special features of birds. These are the some special features of the birds. This topic is related to the body movement, where we are going to discuss about the special features of the birds, how the birds are moved, and what are the different kind of the skeletons, or how these birds are normally walk and fly. So we have to go through the special features of these birds. Here the number one point which I have written here, this the birds has a special kind of the skeleton. The birds has a special kind of skeleton and musculus. They have the special kind of skeleton as well as they have a special kind of the musculus. And these kind of the special skeleton and musculus are basically helps to fly the birds. Point number 1 point, which is talking about it has a special kind of features, special kind of skeleton as well as a special kind of the musculus. By this, the birds are flying. Number 1 point. Number second points of this birds is they have a four leaves. They have a four leaves. Four means this points. Four leaves is and are modified to become wings. These four limbs basically is a modified form, and this modified form becomes a wings. Wings by which the birds are flying. Wings means this. Okay, there is a modified form of four limb, and these four limbs are basically converted into wings, and the bones inside are hollow. The in the wings there are the hollow. Hollow means there is a special kind of the bones which is inside. There is a outer and inner structure. There is a bones and which has a which is outer and inner bones, but inside there in the bone there is a nothing. Inside their bone there is a nothing. It is a just vacant bone, and because of this vacant bone, bones are called basically a hollow bones. These are the hollow bones, and these basically these helps these wings are made up of bone. That bones are basically hollow, and these hollow bones are suit for the flying. These hollow bones are suit for the flying. Got it? These points are clear. Here there is a wings. There is a four limbs. That four limbs modified into wings. That four limb modified into wings. And that wings has a special bones. That bones has a nothing. The inside this bone there is a nothing. That means it is a hollow bones. And that hollow bones are especially helps to the fly to the birds. This is the second point. Third point. This third point is talking about the bones of the hind limbs. There is a hind limbs. There is a hind limbs, and that are used for preaching and walking. You have seen there is a by which these kind of the birds basically move from one place to another place, and these kind of the birds also preach. Okay, they can also fly. There is a bones, and that is called hind bones, hind limbs, and that hind limbs basically are used for pitching and walking. They can move here and there by the use of this hind limbs. That is the hind limbs. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. These are the hind limbs which is used for pitching and walking. Fine. And there is a last point. There is a soldier bone. There is a soldier bone. There in the bird there is a soldier bone, and there is a also breast bone. Okay. These are the two bones. Soldier bone and breast bones are strong. These two kinds of bones are There is another points we call as a shoulder bones and breastbone. Breastbones. These are the strong bone. Strong bones. Okay. These are the strong bones, and by these strong bones, basically they go up. These birds are basically flying. Helps in flying. Helps in flying, and again, whenever they want, they get down. Whenever they want, they get down. These are the some special features of the bones. There is a forelimb. Again, I am just indicating you. You have to understand this point. There is a forelimb. Head limb जिसे वो बोलते हैं. There is a forelimb means head limb. Limbs, and these limbs are basically converted into wings. That wings has a halo bones, and those halo bones are basically suit for the fly, by which these birds are flying. There is another bones that is called hind limbs. That is called hind limbs, and that hind limbs basically what these kind of the bones work. These bones are work like a pitching and walking. These bones are pitching and walking. And there is a shoulder bone and breast bone. These bones are basically strong bones. They attach with the muscles, and these are the strong bones which helps to fly and get down. Which helps to fly and get down. This is the about the birds. Now I am giving a chance to ask a question related to. Now again we are going to discuss about the new body of the new skeleton, that is called the fish. Here we are talking about the what is the structure of fish. What is the structure of fish? Here you can just understand that what do you mean by streamline. The kind of the structure which looks like the head side is very sharp. The head side is very sharp, and back side is a bland. The head side is sharp. The kind of the structure in which head side is sharp and back side is a bland side. That kind of the structure is known as streamline, and it helps. This streamline structure which is found in fish helps the fish to move here and there. Helps to move fish to inside the water here and there. Helps to move inside the water here and there. This streamline structure helps to move inside the water here and there. Number two, these streamline are basically used. Here in the fish there is a tail. In the fish there is a tail. This tail basically when they moves in the water, when this fish moves in the water, into the water, this tail jerk through the water, and when they jerk through the water, it changes their position, it changes their direction. This also change their direction. That means there is a tail. That tail basically helps to push the water. That tail helps to push the water, helps to push the water, helps to push the water, and that helps to push the water is another word we call as a jerk. We called as a jerk. Okay, when it jerks the water, it moves forward direction. When it jerks the water, it moves forward direction, forward and upward also. Okay, and this tail also helps. This tail also helps to change their direction of the position of the direction. This tail also helps to fish to change their direction of the position. Okay, these are the 3 points which you have to remember. The body structure of this animal is streamlined. Streamlined helps to fish to move in the water. Helps to fish to move in the water. And the second things which we have to remember, that is called tail. This tail basically jerk to the water, jerk inside the water, and that jerking, because of that jerking, they easily move from one place to another place. Also, this tail fin also used to change their direction. These are the 3 points which you have to remember while understanding about